Hi everyone. Today is a beautiful gift haul that was given to me from my friend Jen. You can find her at Kanna Art Studios. She and I go way back, probably over 20 years where we first met, but in recent years we've really bonded over Instagram and our love of creative things. She had been a glassmaker for many years, but she's also been a designer and artist and really started drawing and painting a lot and releasing her products during COVID. And that's when I really started following her account a lot. So I went shopping for her this year at Little Craft Fest. And then at the same time, she was working on her products to feature at her first show, which was at the Orlando Stationery Festival in July. So these are some of the products that she released, and she sent them to me as a generous gift. And also, she got me a couple of special goodies from the stationery show as well. So let's dive in as I put some of these into my Hobonichi. Now, my Hobonichi is a little blank from last month in particular because we were traveling for a convention in Poland as well as our trip to Paris. So, this is a nice blank slate for me to put some of these stickers from her. Oh, wow. I haven't seen any of this yet. So, bear with me. Oh, her tissue paper is just beautiful. I love the design on her bag as well. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think she sent me almost everything from her line. This is incredible. So this is what she's known for, taking the wildlife creatures from her life there in Florida and converting them into art. So cute. This one's going on the cover. And then she had these postcards that she made. Oh wow, this is so cool. So it has like her pricing that she had when she was there. And then I think this is a big sticker. Yes. Oh, that's a huge vinyl sticker. Love that. Here's one of the postcards she made. Florida Stationery Fest. Excuse me, not Orlando. It was in Orlando, but it was called the Florida Stationery Fest. This is one of the postcards she designed specifically for that event. So that's definitely going on this page here. So cute. I love that she made these little puns and then tied it into Florida. So cute. Oh, wow. I had no idea she sent all of this to me. This is amazing. This is probably my favorite one. Okay. She also makes bookmarks. These designs, I've seen these online. They are incredible because they're not just one-sided. She made these double-sided designs with her artwork, and they are just so gorgeous. She shows on her account some of the bloopers that happen sometimes when you're doing digital design, and how she fixed some of her designs. This is one of my favorites as well. I love the front as much as the back on this one. This is another favorite. Just look at the back design. Oh, so beautiful. This one is a cutie. My oldest daughter loves dolphins, so I'm going to put this in her little gift bag that I'm giving her. Oh my goodness. I can't believe she got me both of them. I had asked her if she got any free moments, if she could pick up this pen for me. It's actually a nib holder. So I have a ton of nibs that I'm wanting to use for my ink journal, and I just loved this one with the little seahorse on it. The cutest thing. Guess no, you don't really post it. You just hold it and put your nib right in here. But how cute is that? But this is the one that was specifically made for the Florida Stationery Fest with that theme of the sunshine and the colors. So I can't believe she got both of them for me. I was certain they were going to be sold out, and that it just wasn't going to be possible. I'm shocked that she was able to send not just one, but two of these to me. Thank you so much, Jen. I love them. They're going to be getting some use in my ink journal very soon. Oh, what a beautiful design. I love how large that plaid is. And these are different. Wow. Trying to stack like colors together to see what the designs look like side by side. I honestly think she's given me one of everything that she's designed, which is so generous. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're going to put these in the book because just showing you here does not do these designs their justice. So each of these larger washi tape rolls have 5 different designs on them. So like this one with the palm trees, this one is called Tall Things. So they're animals with long legs, or they're palm trees, or they're pine trees, anything like that from the Florida area. So putting these in the Hobonichi, sometimes I didn't get these down perfectly straight, and this washi peels up quite easily without damaging the Tomoe River paper. So if you're looking for some washi that stays down very well, but that is also adjustable, this washi is very good. It doesn't rip up into a million shreds when you try to lift it off of the paper or anything like that. So here's a couple of the last items for the tall things, which is a lighthouse and then some other trees as well. So each of these large rolls that she has are 3 inches by 33 feet, and they have 5 designs each on each of those rolls. So the first one was called her Forest and Marsh. And then this one here with the seashells is called Seashore. And the one with the dolphin and things I think is called Water and Shore. And then she has the last one called Tall Things. And they have a whole bunch of trees and things like that. So in each of these, she has other washi tapes that coordinate perfectly with all of these designs in different colorways. And all of those can be found on her website under the washi tapes section. So they all coordinate beautifully, and then I just spread them out over various pages here in my Hobonichi. So the friends that we traveled with on the airplane to Poland, they gave me that sticker. I made this one that we gave out. And then we met some other friends at the airport in London Heathrow. They gave me that one. Another friend here on Instagram mailed me some Trader Joe's bags that I could send to friends. And she went to Switzerland either last year or the previous year. So she gave me that sticker. And then this is from some friends in Poland. And then, of course, that one from Jen. So please check out her website, kannaartstudios.shop. She's also on Instagram as Kanna Art Studios. So feel free to check out her shop. Here's a little bit of her pricing, at least at the time of the Florida Stationery Fest. So, the prices may change on the website as time goes on, but this is her incredible design. These are her incredible designs that she made. So again, thank you so much, Jen. Everything is just so beautiful. And I also look forward to sharing these with my local friends here in Texas. See you next time.